My name is Faisal Said and I am working as lab analyst at GGS High-Tech Lab. Today we will demonstrate that how we can calibrate a weighing balance. In lab, calibration of weighing balance is really necessary because we are dealing with minute quantity of chemicals. First of all, it should be at 0. After that, we will press the calibration button and we will put our weight. And now in seed testing laboratory, we need to weigh our chemicals accurately because a change in a single gram can ruin our experiment. So, for further queries, you can visit our website GGS High-Tech Labs, where seeds spark solutions.